Welcome to our channel. Stopping package loss on Zoom ensures better video quality and more stable connections during meetings. Step 1. Open the Zoom desktop client and click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Step 2. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to the Video tab on the left sidebar. Step 4. Click on Advanced to access more detailed video settings. Step 5. Enable hardware acceleration if available, as this can reduce processing delays and packet loss. Step 6. Go to the Statistics option during a meeting by clicking the connection icon to monitor packet loss in real time. Step 7. If you experience consistent packet loss, lower your video quality settings or disable HD video to reduce bandwidth requirements. Step 8. Consider using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi, closing unnecessary applications, or upgrading your internet plan to improve overall connection stability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.